Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm your host Greg here at Midsummer Railway N-Scale.
First of all, apologies, there will be no running session today due to another project that will be on next time to do with block detection. So I finally got around to doing block detection after the flood and the previous one being damaged. But that's for the next episode. Today we're looking at, as you can see, stations and yards. In the last video you would have seen that there was a crossover here. I decided to remove the crossover. So the first track is DC or switchable to DCC. However, having a slight issue, I decided no, I'm going to keep it totally separate. Sorry, I've still got a bit of the lurgy, a bit husky. So this meant that the yard wouldn't work for DCC++. So I've decided to change it all again. What you're looking at is the first track, which I've actually cut down in size. It's still DCC, DC, but now it's a little bit shorter. So the new yard, got to be honest, the old one was, I still wasn't happy. I'm not happy because I don't have enough room, but this is the best compromise I can come up with. So we join it from DCC and we have one arm that goes into the shed and the refueling station. There's another arm that we can store trains on. And if I can think of something better, then that'll happen in the next video. But at this stage, that's where we're at. Now, while it's been wired, and you can see that where I was pointing, that's to the goods yard, to the shed and the refueling. Both switch, there's another switch there and a switch into the refueling centre. And there's a track that goes right round and comes back and almost touches the other track. Now that's for storage. This switch joins the second little loop for storage. Now it's all wired, ready to go. However, it's not connected to the main system until I'm sure that this is what I want, and also because of the other project that I'm working on, which is block detection. Now in the next section you'll see another switch that I've put in, and that goes to, or will go to, the track's not laid yet, behind the hill, which has a hidden area for storage. So the image you can see is the laser cut station, one of two, and there's a third one coming, but that's another video as well. So this one's got lights in it and people inside. I didn't video the build because I'm not that flash at building because of my chemo drug making me a bit woozy and unstable trying to put it together, but also because lots of other people have been showing how to do laser cut buildings. Because my grandson's away on holidays, I haven't finished it off and allowed me to do the block detection. As you can see, there's also a second little station. No platform yet, still deciding what I'm going to do with that. But I have to get on with the major stuff. So while I've got 5 days, while my grandkids and my daughter and husband are away on holidays, I'm doing bigger projects, and we'll come back to this later on. And as you can see, there's a second station there. It's also laser cut. And there's also another station on its way. But that again is for another video. So tune in next time for block detection for N-scale that really works and no resistors. Thanks to all my subscribers and especially the new subscribers I've got. And until next time, keep those model trains on the rails. Bye for now.